Hey beautiful people, hope you all are doing good. And if you're new here, well, you are absolutely welcome. Please be a good one and hit that subscribe button to join the fam. We've got something sweet going on here. Alright, we're down to episode 3 in this tour series. If you've missed out on the previous ones, make sure to check them out here so you can also enjoy the other amazing tours we had in different cool and beautiful spots as well. Also,
give the video a thumbs up if you like it too.
Now, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So, I literally just got out of the shower and I had to wash my hair again. And I took some time while doing that, so I'm a little bit behind schedule. So I have to talk to you guys when I'm done getting ready, dressing up, all of that. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, we're ready. Okay, so this is the outfit for today. Again, I am wearing another Diora fashion piece, and this is how the back looks. So cute. And for my shoes, I'll be going with these wedgies or heels, whatever you want to call it. I have my hair down today. I have my afro down. I'm really liking how this outfit turns out. Like how I'm looking. My friend is already here, so I have to get going. I already packed my bag, so I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'll see you guys. Let's go. So our first stop was the Unity Park, which is directly opposite the mall, but it started raining, so I couldn't film. Anyways, here are some pictures to at least get a glimpse of the place. Now, the mall is filled with different stores and shops selling various products. You've also got eye clinics, pharmacies, lounges, eateries, ice cream shops, and even ATM machines, so you can spend every dime in your account here. Be careful though, it's quite tempting. We even got dragged into one of the eye clinics for a free eye test, which is like a promotional stunt with good service though. That's something you might find some stores doing here. Anyways, I found a mirror and I bet you already know how this goes. If you like my outfits though, there's tons of options to choose from Diora Fashion. So feel free to use my code ABBY5 to get a 5% discount as you shop to your heart's content. Okay, so when looking for the Market Square Mall section, you'll find pointers which look like the shopping bag here, and they'll lead you to it easily. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to film in there at that time, so I'll just be showing you the pathway to it.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can't tell the same. And I know when you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know when you know all the things that broke us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Out of you in my fantasy.
Aside the fact you get a majority of your needs in here, I think one of the things I like about this spot is the architectural design. I think it's really nice. What do you think? Also, which section of the mall is your favorite? The cinema, the stores, the Market Square Mall, or the food section? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next one.
And she got to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. Out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah. A new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button to give it a like. It really helps my channel. And make sure to tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos of more cool and beautiful places you can tour. Also, don't forget to check out the previous videos on this series. I bet you will enjoy them. Till we see next time, lovelies. Thank you so much for watching.